Let's meet the whales and dolphins, A to Z, each name a new discovery. A four-legged spotted dolphin, B for beluga, C for common dolphin, D for Doll's porpoise, E for Easter spinner dolphin, F for false killer whale, G for Ganges river dolphin. Whales and dolphins from sea to sea, A to Z, A to Z, swim with me. H for Hector's dolphin, I for Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin, K for killer whale, L for lungfin pilot whale, N for minke whale, N for narwhal, O for orca, P for Pacific white-sided dolphin, B for pink dolphin, R for rhesus dolphin, S for sperm whale, T for tupexi, V for vaquita, W for white dolphin, Y for Yangtze river dolphin. Through the waves from A to Z, whales and dolphins, you and me. Keep exploring, keep watching with glee, with our whale and dolphin ABC.